measured an orange and found the diameter to be 1.6 inches. She cut the orange in half and gave one part to her friend Michelle. Calculate the volume of orange Michelle received. Well, to solve a question like this, we need to think about what kind of shape is an orange. Orange is a spherical shape, something like this. Let me see if I can draw that. Okay, something close to this. And according to the question, Alexis measured it and found that the diameter D is 1.6 inches. Okay, that is one important piece of information from the question. Now, she cut it into half. When you cut a sphere into half, the remaining half is called a half is called hemisphere. Hemisphere. That is half of a sphere. Now the question says calculate the volume of orange Michelle received. That means Michelle received a hemisphere, that is half of a sphere. And we know that volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So half of it will be divided by 2. That means volume of orange received by Michelle, which is a hemisphere, let me call it V subscript H, is 4/3 pi r cubed divided by 2, which is 4/3 pi r cubed times 1/2. What I did here, when dividing by a fraction, the sign of division will change to multiplication. And when that happens, you multiply by the reciprocal of this fraction here. So the reciprocal of 2/1 is 1/2. That means the volume of hemisphere there is 3 times 2 down here is 6. So I have 4/6 pi r cubed. Now from the question, the diameter of the hemisphere, of the sphere, of the orange rather, is 1.6. The radius is equal to, radius is diameter divided by 2. That is 1.6 divided by 2. 1.6 divided by 2, that should be 0.8. Let me confirm that with the calculator. Yes, 0.8 inches is the radius of that sphere. So putting that here, I'll have 4/6 rather, times the value of pi. Let me use 3.142. Then the radius 0.8 cube. Let me use my calculator to work on that. 0.3 cube is 0.512. Then multiply by 3.142. 3.142 give me 3. And then also I'll have to multiply that by 4. Multiply by 4. 6.43 by 6.43 approximately divided by 6 will give me 1.07 inches cubed is the volume of orange received by Michelle. And that brings us to the end of this question. Thank you very much. Now I will see you in our next class.